The biggest feature of INAV 4.1 Raging Sparrow is full support for HDZero Canvas Mode. Yes, thanks to the amazing work of GeoffSim, we can have now a Canvas Mode. If you don't know it yet, the Canvas Mode enables HDZero to have the full OSD support. Every OSD element that until now was available only for the analog FPV users, right now is available in the digital HDZero too. If you would like to use this amazing feature, here is the tutorial on how to do it. Step 1. Flash and configure INAV 4.1. Step 2. Download the latest HDZero firmware for your video transmitter and the video transmitter and flash them. The Canvas mode works only with the latest firmware, so yes, the update is required. Step 3. Wire the HDZero transmitter to the flight controller using one of the serial ports. The TX pad on the HDZero VTX has to be wired to the RX pad on the free serial port on your flight controller and the RX pad on the HDZero transmitter to the TX pad of the same flight controller serial port. Next, in INAV configurator, enable the HDZero VTX support on the serial port to which you wire your HDZero VTX. And finally, in the INAV configurator OSD tab, set the video format to HD. Save, restart everything, and from now on your HDZero OSD is fully configurable from the INAV configurator. When done correctly, it looks like this. If you would like to know more about amazing things you can do with INAV, check out this video. I'm Paweł Spychalski, thank you very much for watching and happy flying!